guys, it's Sunday morning. Got a little haul-in job to do today. There's a International 574 tractor about an hour away from here, and a guy who lives pretty close to me bought it and he needs it hauled over to his house. This will be my first time actually ever using a gooseneck trailer on this truck. It has a flip over hitch in the bed, so I'm gonna mess with that a little bit and make a few bucks on a Sunday. Okay, well that was a little bit more difficult than I thought. Would have been nice to have a helper help line that hitch up. Got the emergency lights on, so we're gonna check the blinkers. That front's working. Both these working. Tops. He's got this thing ready to go. Front corner. So I'm gonna run home real quick and check the air pressure on the tires. We're all checked out on our pre-trip inspection. One tire is about 20 PSI low, so got that one filled up. Checked all the chains, all the mounts, suspension, topping off with fuel a little bit. Ready to hit the road. I think as you can see there, this trailer is quite a bit longer than what I'm used to pulling with my bumper pull. And that pivot point also being in the center of the bed instead of back behind the bumper makes it a lot different on turns coming out. You can see there are a couple of tries to get out of my driveway. Backing up is nice and easy. I mean, you don't really have any chance of jackknifing, so you can really cut it hard. All right, we're pulling on into the pickup location here. About an hour drive. It's like a pretty good sized farm here. All right, we just got to the end of this guy's driveway here. Gonna double check everything. We got the front end implement loader strapped down. All the chains are feeling nice and tight. Got the ramps locked. All right. Let's hit the road and beat the rain. Well, so the rain held off for the most part. This guy's getting the check pay here. It's got some cool old stuff. I don't know what the heck that is. What is that thing?
56 Dodge.
56 Dodge, huh?
Here. I'll show you what I put in it.
Yeah, it looks like a Cummins.
It's 4-cylinder Cummins. Same thing as the Dodges, except it's a 4.
Nice. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in here, but is that like what comes in a bread truck or something?
That's what came out of a bread truck. I used to take care of a bunch of them. I used to buy them wrecked.
Mm-hmm.
And that motor there, that there only had like 20,000 miles on it.
Made sure to get it extra high, so this truck might be taller than mine, so that way it won't hit his bed when he backs into it. Well, I think that'll wrap up this quick video. Thanks again, Matt, for letting me borrow your trailer, and we'll see you guys in the next one.